Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the process and development of my recent project starting with the natural concept art. These are the reference board I gathered in Pinterest. I'll consider this concept art as my most rendered among the other three. The process of making this art is smooth and calming, and the only thing that gave me the hardest time to draw is the house. I want to make the house more detailed, but I chose to make it a simple house because of lack of experience in doing so. Overall, I like the way this art turns out. Next in the list is the natural art. Again, the reference I use is from Pinterest. This art is the most easy one among the other four. But since I'm more on character designing, creating pieces like this also gave me a lot of thinking of how I'll execute it. I don't have any sketches during the process. What I have is a shapes in mind and proceeds in painting until I finish. The colors turns out to be cute, but I still have a lot to improve. Next is my irregular art. The reference is still from Pinterest. While making this concept art, I have a lot of trials and errors because I have never done anything like this. I tried to make an underwater coral reefs, but Spiky Cave speaks to me more. And yeah, I just have a lot of fun with it and turns out to be good. My next concept art, which is the urban art, is my favorite among the other three. Compared to the other three, I have an artist that inspired me to create such beautiful city aesthetic, and his works inspired me to make more of these in the future. I use a lot of colorful palettes and lights to give this scene a more lively vibe. The outcome is so much better than I imagined, but I'll definitely remake this in the future. Here's the account of the artist that inspired me to make this art. His name is Direct Dominic D'Souza. You can check him out. There's a lot of techniques you can learn from his speed up videos. That's all. Thank you.